Live at Crusing. Yes. I'm gonna have the interview.
Yeah, when we had the Giro d'Italia in Italy, precisely, and of course, when we come back, we'll talk more about the
Can we have everybody go back to that same
comparison?
Me, I never sleep. Okay, now wake up. When I eat your day, you sleep. Doctor said. I just landed at Benin airport, you know what I mean? They're mad. I just landed, man. Worried they go here around today. They're about to give me my presidency title as the hot. Time of the day, I'm going to collect them. God bless everybody with support and vote for me. Fresh. Now we're heading to the airport to go and hail our people that were waiting at the Owerri airport. Because we land from Benin airport. Based on logistics. Gentlemen, I'm maybe the assistant pilot based on this. You get Captain Mo right here.
Mo is here, man.
Captain Femi. Toby, sorry. And Captain Ahmed Musa of Leicester. Gentlemen, I'm maybe the assistant pilot based on this. You get Captain Mo right here.
Mo is here, man.
Captain Femi. Toby, sorry. And Captain Ahmed Musa of Leicester. I'm going to use it now. No posting worry, man. Still be. If you tell them where they happen, where they want to.
Well, without the worry.
Okay, the typist. We are on show. They have factor to bleed them and they mad based on logistics as they hot. Who are people? South. Now we're heading to the airport to go and hail our people that were waiting at the Owerri airport. Because we land from Benin airport based on logistics. I just landed at Benin airport, you know what I mean? They're mad. I just landed, man. Worried they go here around today. They're about to give me my presidency title as the hot. Time of the day, I'm going to collect them. God bless everybody with support and vote for me. Fresh.